Hi, in this video tutorial, you will learn how to sign in to Power Apps so that you can start building your apps. Okay, it is very simple to sign in to Power Apps. This is how you do it. First thing you need to understand is that Power Apps is in the cloud, so you should use your web browser to work with it. So just open your favorite web browser, then type the following URL: make.powerapps.com. Then click Enter. You will be asked to provide your credentials. If you don't have your credentials yet, you need to create a Power Apps account. You might need to use a .onmicrosoft.com email depending on the type of account you have. There are different types of accounts you can have, both free and paid premium account. To learn how to create an account, watch the other video here on the channel. It explains in details how to do that. Just click the link on the card you see on the screen now. Then, depending on the type of account you have, there might be an additional step besides providing your email and password, which is to type a code that is generated by Microsoft Authenticator. This step is not required for everyone. It depends on the type of account you have. For instance, you might be connected to a corp network that has single sign-on. Then you just need to inform your corp network email and it will log in for you just using your corp network authentication. In this example, I'm going to show login using Microsoft Authenticator. Microsoft Authenticator is a mobile phone app, so you need to install it on your phone. Here. This is the app that you will need to download on your phone, Microsoft Authenticator. You can just scan this QR code and install it on your device, either for iOS or Android. Once you install the app, you register using the same email you used to create your account, which is also the same email that you're going to use here to sign in. I already have the app installed in my phone, so now I'm going to type the email here. And in this case, I'm using an email that is a onmicrosoft.com email, which was created when I created the account. Click Next. Then type your password and click Sign In. Now it will ask you to open your Authenticator app and enter the number that is shown at the screen. So I'm going to go to my phone, open the Microsoft Authenticator app, type the number, and as soon as I do that, it will already move on to the next screen. Then I can choose either if I want to stay signed in or not. I'm going to say yes. And voila, you have logged into Power Apps. If you liked this video, please click like. And if you want to learn more about Power Apps, click subscribe.